Bitcoin to hit USD 93K this year, according to less optimistic survey. Bitcoin, BTC, could rise to a high of $93,000 or more this year, and close to $193,000 by the end of 2025, a panel of industry players gathered by comparison website Finder predicted. However, they were less optimistic than in October. By averaging out responses from the panelists, Finder came up with a price prediction of $93,717 as Bitcoin's high for 2022, with the coin expected to end the year at $76,360. Further, half of the panelists said they do not expect the coin to fall in price even as interest rates rise in the US, while 19% said they find that a price drop is likely. According to the panel, which was comprised of 33 fintech specialists, including academics and industry leaders from the crypto space, the number one cryptocurrency is gaining broader appeal among more traditional types of investors, driving up demand for the coin. As Bitcoin becomes more accessible through more established financial institutions and products like exchange-traded funds, ETFs, it will continue to rally in the short to medium term, said David Klinger, founder of the Australian tech-focused advisory and investment firm Coteries Corporation. Among the most bullish panelists was Vanessa Harris, Chief Product Officer at crypto startup Permission, who predicted that BTC will reach a high of $220,000 this year. Bitcoin is best positioned to be the store of value many investors will seek to weather higher inflation, Harris was quoted as saying in a press release. At the opposite side of the spectrum, Daniel Politsky, founder of the Bitcoin ATM operator CoinFlip, said that the cryptocurrency isn't likely to move above $60,000 in 2022 due to the deflation of bubbles created by the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed. The global economy is looking somewhat shaky, with inflation reaching 7% in the U.S. It is possible that the asset bubble the Fed created by keeping interest rates near 0% for over a decade may spill over into Bitcoin, Politsky said. Similarly, Gavin Smith, CEO of Panxera Group, a company that offers both crypto exchange services and investment funds, was also cautiously optimistic, saying that concerns over higher interest rates will dominate in the first half of 2022, although the second half is likely to be better. As inflation continues to rise, we expect Bitcoin to decouple from other risk assets in the second half of 2022, leading to a rally to new highs towards the end of the year, Smith said. Looking long-term, Finder's panel of experts suggested that Bitcoin's price at the end of 2025 could reach $192,800, while $406,400 was predicted for the end of the decade. Inflation is out of control, Bitcoin might temporarily drop as interest rates go up. In my own opinion, the drop will be temporary, said Bilal Hamoud, CEO of the Canadian crypto exchange NEX, who expects BTC to reach $250,000 by the end of 2025 and $500,000 by the end of 2030. All in all, 61% of the panelists said that now is the time to buy Bitcoin, while 10% said Bitcoin instead should be sold at the current price. 29% of the panelists said Bitcoin should still be held for investors who have already bought it, according to Finder.